So I just got back from Japan and my newest Tokyo treat box has just arrived here at home. So I'm going to share these treats with my family and I'm just excited to see what's in there. There are 15 different snacks, including something to drink in the box this time. It is so cool. Let's look and see. This is supposed to be the April 2024 box and there's still sakura, cherry blossom things in there. So let's look. As soon as you open the box, they have all kinds of brochures that tell you about every single treat that's in the box, a little bit of history, what it's like, the ingredients, all of that. Let's see. So, the platinum sweet tart. Looks like ice cream.
I want some ice cream.
We'll check it out later. What's it called? Ichigo cream.
I want some.
Let's see. Creamy Ghana chocolate. Ooh. We'll see. You'll have some, but. And we have. What is this? Sakura waffle cookie, big sweet sakura waffle cookie.
I want to see.
Let's see, I'll show you in a minute. I'm taking your pictures. Ika-sen. Ooh. Okay, you can in a minute. Please go down. And then we got these little things. Cookie, those are cute. It's milk. Iki o naka. Ichigo yogurt. Nice.
You copying pen.
No. Sakura kareto.
You copying the changes.
Still in the April box. Oh, this is good. Strawberry one. Strawberry Kit Kats. This is good. Nice. Okay, get down now. Okay, let me see. Got a lot of stuff. Kare.
No, that's
Kame-sen.
chips.
Okay. And then we got. Ooh, looks like. What is that? Cherry.
Cherry. I like cherry.
Busse. Sakura busse. Okay. Don't touch. I'll show you in a minute.
Okay.
Acerora.
No, that's
Vitamin C for your
soda.
healthy life.
No, that's soda.
Got some
I want
sosu yakisoba for granddaddy.
Yuck. I don't want that.
Fried potato.
No, that's chips.
Nice. Yamitsuki. Sit. Thanks for snacking with us. Arigato. If you know anything about Japanese snacks, you know that Kit Kats have so many different flavors and seasonal varieties that they put out every year in Japan. And it's actually a very popular gift to bring back a new flavor of Kit Kat back to the United States and to other countries as well. So my granddaughters and I decided to kick this off and try a couple of treats. And of course, the strawberry Kit Kats were first on our list. And then we went ahead and we tried Actually, we hadn't had lunch yet. That's why I was putting them off for a little bit. We needed to eat before trying some of these sweets. So actually, I made them some almond milk with berries. And I tried the acerola over berries and ice. It was delicious. They had fun. And then we opened up that busse. What was it? Let's look at it. Spring into sakura sweetness with this light and fluffy sakura cream cake. The deliciously addictive cream filling is flavored with real cherry juice. Wow. Okay, it tells you common allergens may contain traces of nothing in particular good Suitable for vegetarians, yes. Egg, dairy, wheat. All right, we're gonna try it.
Okay.
Okay, yay. That's cute. Yay. There it is, cherry. Burger. It just looks like a burger, but it's a cookie. It's got cream. Try it. Okay. And take a piece. Yeah, go ahead. You like it? Okay. Okay. We are definitely going to try everything else later on and share it with the family. Meanwhile, we love how Tokyo Treat brings just a little bit of Tokyo back to wherever we are. And if you'd like to experience it too, go ahead and use my code right there. It gets you $5 off of your first box. And talk to you soon.